How to find your filtered comment on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your filtered comment on TikTok app. That's mean comments you hide on your account. Easy and quick. First thing, go to your TikTok app, click on it, and now click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. You have the second option, which is privacy. Click on it and scroll down. You're gonna find comments. Click on it. In here, you have comments management to review filtered comments on your account, and only approved comment will be displayed. Click on it. In this list, they're gonna give you all your filtered comments on TikTok app since the beginning. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.